Hey everyone, welcome to the grand opening of Cambria Bay by DR Horton. Now in this video, we are going to be touring the most affordable 4-bedroom with a loft, new construction here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. We are touring the 1865, so stick around. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Hey, what's up everyone? So today is August 9th and it's the grand opening of DR Horton's newest community here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. It's Cambria Bay. Just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're right off of the Cactus exit off of the 15 freeway. So really nice area. We're about 15 to 20 minutes away from the Las Vegas airport and strip. So you have nearby shopping centers, very easy access to the freeway. So really good area, you guys. Now, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you. I covered these floor plans a bunch of times in my videos, but they offer 3 different floor plans, all ranging from 1715 square feet to 1865 square feet. These are all 3 to 4 bedroom homes, 2 stories, and the prices are ranging from $446 all the way up to $475. Now, the important thing you need to know about those prices is with DR Horton, what you see is what you get. Everything is included in that price, so there's no added upgrades. So all the appliances are included: refrigerator, washer, dryer, and blinds. Now they are a spec builder, meaning that they start production on these homes. Once they're about 2 months away from being completed, they will release it. So by the time you would get into contract, then you're probably about 2 months away from closing on your house, okay? So a couple things about the community. The HOA is only $40 a month. It is not gated. Here, the lot square footage is gonna be 3,000. So your backyards are gonna be about 12 to 20 feet deep. Okay, now the difference between Spectrum Bay and this community is Spectrum Bay has the 9-foot ceilings on the first floor. Now this one does have just the 8-foot ceilings. The homes in this community are going to have larger lots and you're going to have a tankless water heater. So there are some trade-offs, okay? Well, yeah, let's get started with this tour. Welcome to the plan 1865. This is going to be the largest floor plan in the Bay community. So this is 1865 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, and the price is $475,990. Again, with the price, what you see is what you get. Everything is included in the $475,990, including the refrigerator, washer, dryer, and the blinds. Okay. So yeah, let's take a look. This is their best-selling model here in the Bay collection. I toured these floor plans plenty of times. My videos. Okay, so welcome in. You're gonna have 8-foot ceilings on the first floor and the second floor. Okay, so I know the only difference between the Spectrum Bay community, which is close by, which has been around for a while, they're probably gonna sell out here shortly, but they do have 9-foot ceilings over there. But also over here, the pro is the backyards are gonna be a little bit deeper, so the lots are larger out here. And you have a tankless water heater over here instead of the tank water heater. Okay. So you're going to have your smart panel box right here. This is where you're going to set up your internet router and your modem. Now, as far as flooring goes, this is what you could expect for flooring. I think they may rotate between a few different colors, but you'll have this vinyl material. Okay. Very open floor plan, dining room, living room, and kitchen. Now again, what you see is what you get, except for the accent walls won't be included, and obviously like the furniture, the curtains, but you will have that, you will have the blinds. Okay. You'll either have like the white or gray cabinets. As far as the countertop, it'll either be the gray quartz like this or the white quartz. They kind of rotate, and then you'll have this refrigerator, this Whirlpool refrigerator right here. Nice, so soft close cabinets. You also have the Whirlpool appliance package, so you have the oven, stovetop, Whirlpool microwave as well. Okay, you're gonna have the dual basin, sink, Moen faucet. Okay. You got your garbage disposal down there. You also have your Whirlpool dishwasher. The backyards are going to run, in this community, they're going to run about 12 to 20 feet. In the Spectrum Bay community, most of the lots were just like 10 feet deep backyards. So, but yeah, there's more, there are different lots here that will run like 20 feet deep. But yeah, once you move in, you'll have like these pavers right here, but everything else will be dirt. So you have about a year. The HOA gives you a year to landscape your backyard. Okay. And yeah, depending on what you put back there, I mean, obviously the most cost-effective way is just to put rocks, something like that. But if you do a combination of like turf and pavers, I mean, it could cost anywhere between like 7 to 12 grand, it's depending what you do. All right, so right over here to the left, you're going to have your pantry. And this is pretty nice because you're also going to have some storage space over here. So D.R. Horton does a good job of utilizing underneath the staircase. So you have this Honeywell thermostat right here. This is going to control the temperature on the first floor. So this is going to be your powder room. Okay, so you have your toilet, sink, nothing crazy in here. Straight ahead, you'll have your door to your garage, but it's locked because that's going to be storage. All D.R. Horton homes, you're going to have the 2-panel doors. Okay, you're going to have the chrome fixtures as well. And then for the baseboards, this is what you could expect. I think it's about like 3.5-inch baseboards. Okay. So you'll have like the rounded corner edging. And then you'll have, like, as far as the paint goes, you'll have the flat white Sherwin-Williams paint. I think it's extra white all throughout the house. And then you'll have semi-gloss in the wet areas, okay? Now, again, this is like their best-selling model. So if you are looking for something, you know, like an affordable new construction home that's at least 4 beds, but you also need a loft, this is going to be a high contender right here, because again, it's about $475. Okay. So the way this floor plan is designed, so you have your loft right here. Now to the left, you're gonna have your primary bedroom with your laundry room. Okay, so very, it's always convenient to have your laundry room next to the primary bedroom. And then down the hallway is where your 3 bedrooms are gonna be. So now all these rooms are going to be a 10 by 10. Okay. Give you a little view of the area. Again, we're here off of Cactus and Polaris. So very good location right off of like, as soon as once you exit Cactus on the 15 freeway, then you'll be right here. So easy access to get to the freeway, to the strip, to the airport. Okay. Here we go. Here is the other bedroom. Okay, now all these lights can be switched out for like a ceiling fan. Okay. That's why you also have these 2 right here, because when you can connect it to the ceiling fan and the light for the ceiling fan. Right here, you're gonna have your transfer grills, so it regulates the airflow and it keeps doors from slamming if there's any wind. I see right over there, you can see South Point Hotel and Casino. That's a fun place. And then that's the 15 freeway. See, this is just to show you how close it is, like that's the freeway right there. So, yeah, great location. You know, very close to the freeway. Okay, so here is the full bath. So you got the single sink. Okay, shower tub combo, fiberglass, and then you're gonna have your toilet right here. So here's a laundry room. Got the washer and dryer. It's so nice. It's you know, it's so nice that DL Horton includes a refrigerator, washer, dryer, and blinds. Again, especially for like a first-time home buyer. I mean, the fact that you don't have to buy those things when, you know, if you go to another builder and you have to buy those things, that's like $5 or $6 grand that you don't have to spend immediately when you move in. So that always makes it really nice. So here's a primary bedroom. Now guys, if you've been watching my videos and or you're watching this right now and you're interested in new construction community, do me a huge favor. Before you go visit by yourself, give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd love to be there, you know, your very first visit. But if you're working with a realtor, that's okay. Let your realtor know. Make sure they go with you on your very first visit. Just don't go by yourself. The only problem is if you go by yourself, once they get your name, your phone number, your email, they won't let you have representation. You definitely want representation down the road because the new build agents look after the builder's best interests, but we look after your best interests. So very important to get yourself some representation. Okay, so we're here in the primary bath. So we got the dual sinks, drop-in sinks, okay. Oh, it's nice and open. Walk-in shower. So you got the toilet. And then here's your walk-in closet. Yeah, guys, that's about it. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, you're curious to know what the incentives are, give me a call. Until then, thanks so much for watching the video. I'll catch you guys on the next one.